In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Font Awesome on your WordPress website. You can install Font Awesome manually, or you can use their official WordPress plugin. Once it's installed and activated, you can either use the shortcode or HTML snippets. You'll see on the plugin settings page how things are set up by default. In general, most people won't need to adjust anything. The method option allows you to toggle between web font or SVG. We suggest playing it safe with the web font version. To use the Font Awesome icons on your WordPress website, just add this code anywhere you want the icon to appear. Make sure to check the icon library to know what name to put in for the icon you want. And as you can see, we now have a ton of WordPress icons on our page. If you'd rather not use a plugin, you can install Font Awesome manually. The very first thing you need to do is go to the Font Awesome website, and from there, click on the Start Using Free button. The next step is to make sure you have the web font option selected, and then you can copy the code. Most themes have a place for you to insert code into the head of the site automatically. In Divi's case, for instance, you would go in the theme options, integration, and there's a whole spot to paste code into the head of your blog. So we'll take the code we just copied, paste it in here, and save our changes. This works exactly like the plugin. The only difference is you don't have access to the shortcodes. If you can't find a spot like that in your theme, you'll have to go to Appearance, Editor, choose your header file, and then go to where the head section ends and paste the code there instead. Regardless of what option you use, you can now start adding icons from Font Awesome. To learn how to style the icons, check out our blog post linked in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And with that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.